Bonjour les élèves, comment allez-vous? Nous avons encore débuté une nouvelle semaine. Je vais bien ici aussi. Donc nous sommes là pour continuer les cours d'aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer avec l'heure que nous avons débuté la fois passée. La fois passée, nous avons appris beaucoup de choses à propos de l'heure. Donc aujourd'hui, nous allons utiliser les expressions que nous avons apprises la fois passée dans des phrases. Okay? Today we are going to continue with the time that we have started last time. But this time around, we are going to use the expressions that we have learned last time in sentences. We use them in sentences today. So sit up, take your pen and pencil, your book, and let's start. Le chapitre du jour. The topic of the day. Savoir demander et expliquer ce que l'on fait à certaines heures de la journée. Je reprends encore. Savoir demander et expliquer ce que l'on fait à certaines heures de la journée. Répétez. Savoir demander et expliquer ce que l'on fait à certaines heures de la journée. This means at the end of the day, you should be able to know how to ask and explain what one does at a particular time of the day or moment of the day. So we are going to narrate a story of, let's say, we are going to talk about our school day. What do you do when we are going to school? A day, a particular day, what do we do? Maybe from Monday to Friday we go to school, right? So what are the things that we do along the day? So at the end of the day, you should be able to talk about your school day, maybe your weekend at home, whatever that is related to time. You should be able to talk about it. Let's continue with our story. You understand it better. Look at this picture. You see the small girl and boy, the children waking up. Aha. So you also do the same every morning, true or false? So let's look at the time that they are waking up. What says the time? Quelle heure est-il? Wow. Il est 5h30 or il est 5h30. So how are we going to put this in a sentence? In a sentence form. We want to form a sentence to say that at this particular time, the children are awake or are waking up. So let's see the question that they may ask you. À quelle heure vous vous réveillez? Everybody knows that when you sleep, you wake up. So at which time do you wake up? À quelle heure vous vous réveillez? Or, à quelle heure tu te réveilles? At which time do you wake up? Let's see how you can answer this question. À 5h30, nous nous réveillons. Je reprends encore. À 5h30, nous nous réveillons. What does it mean? At this time, 5:30, we woke up. That is, that I'm not alone. We are many. What about if I am alone? How will I express myself? À 5h30, je me réveille. À 5h30, je me réveille. So another way of expressing 5h30 is what? 5h30. So nous nous réveillons. Instead of me to say nous nous réveillons at the end. Here I can say nous nous réveillons à 5h30. So I can start from nous nous réveillons, okay? The same way I can use for je. Je me réveille à 5h30, which means I wake up at 5:30 in the morning. So look at class. Last time we learned that they will ask you, quelle heure est-il? Then you say il est 5 heures. You can see that here we are not using il est. So in a sentence form, we don't need to talk about it is 6 o'clock. You can say that at 6 o'clock, or here we are having at 5:30. Then you continue your sentence. The same expression we use in French. So you don't need to say il est, which is it is. You can say which means at a particular time I do so and so. So we'll continue with the same expressions with the next in the next slides. Look at this one. After waking up, what do you do before you go to school? You see the small boy. How do you express yourself? How do you say this action in French? If you are the one, then you say je me lave. If you are many, nous lavons. You can also say je prends mon bain. Nous prenons notre bain. We are taking our bath. What time do you do that in your house? Let's say this boy, he always bath at 5:45. Now the same question will be asked. Quelle heure est-il? This one will enable you to talk about the time. Yes, quelle heure est-il? Il est 5:45. Someone may say, il est 6h moins le quart. Do you remember that expression? Bravo. Look at the question that they can also ask. The first question is, quelle heure est-il? Now the next one. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que vous faites? Quelle heure est-il means what says the time. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What do you do? Qu'est-ce que vous faites? What do you do? So, look at how we can answer these questions. Je prends mon bain à 5:45. Je reprends encore. Je prends mon bain. I take my bath at 5:45. I take my bath at 5:45. Je me lave, as I said earlier on. Je me lave et the same as je prends mon bain. Je me lave à 5:45. How do you express the same thing? À 6h moins le quart, je me lave. We learned them last time. À 6h moins le quart, je me lave. At 5:45, I bath or I take my bath. Now, let's look at the small boy. What do you think he's doing now? Assuming that you are the one, look at the time, 6 o'clock. Then the question will be asked to you. Are you there? À 6h, qu'est-ce que tu fais? At 6 o'clock, what do you do? À 6h, qu'est-ce que vous faites? At 6 o'clock, what do you do? And I told you earlier on that tu is used to express, to talk about to one person or informal expression. And then vous is used to talk about so many people or is used in formal expression. They all means you. Look at the answers. À 6h, je prends mon petit déjeuner. We are just saying what happened here at this particular time. Okay. À 6h, je prends mon petit déjeuner. Petit déjeuner is what? Wow. Breakfast. À 6h, je prends mon petit déjeuner. Which means at 6 o'clock, I take my breakfast. Look at the next one. How will you say the same thing? À 6h, je mange. At 6 o'clock, I eat. Je mange vers 6h. Maybe I'm not sure of the exact time. Then I'll say around. Vers means what? Around. So, je mange vers 6h. Around 6 o'clock, I eat. Another way of saying je mange. Je suis à table vers 6h. I sit or I eat. The same thing. It's an expression in French. For you to say that you are eating, you can say je suis à table vers 6h. Très bien. Très bien. Maintenant, on continue avec l'histoire. Let's continue with our story. Look at this one. This one, we are not going to worry ourselves. The time is already here. Is it not so? What says the time? Quelle heure est-il? Now, it is 7 o'clock. Il est 7 heures. Look at this one, the question. À quelle heure tu vas à l'école? At which time do you go to school? Tu vas à l'école à quelle heure? The question can be, turned in that form. Okay, you can write it in this form. Tu vas à l'école à quelle heure? Is the same. À quelle heure vous allez à l'école? Vous allez à l'école à quelle heure? They are all the same. At which time do you go to school? Please, reprenez après moi. What you repeat what I'm saying, okay? So that you understand, you can speak the language. À quelle heure tu vas à l'école? Ou bien, tu vas à l'école à quelle heure? À quelle heure vous allez à l'école? Vous allez à l'école à quelle heure? Très bien. Regardons à des réponses. Il faudra qu'on regarde à des réponses. Let's watch how we can answer the questions. Vous voyez? La première réponse. À 7 heures, je vais à l'école. At 7 o'clock, I go to school. Vers 7 heures, je vais à l'école. Then, vers, I told that we can use vers if you are not, you don't know the exact time. Around. Vers means around. À 7 heures, je vais à l'école. Vers 7 heures, je vais à l'école. What about if people are many? Nous allons à l'école à 7 heures. We go to school at 6 o'clock. Sorry, at 7 o'clock. Nous allons à l'école vers 7 heures. We go to school at 7 o'clock. Nice one. The story continues. When you go to school, what do you do? After you finish sweeping, you tidying the compound, all those things. What do? You enter the classroom for lessons to begin. Is it not so? So let's see. In your school, at which time does lesson begin and end? Look at how that question can be asked in French. Are you there? À quelle heure les cours means lessons. À quelle heure les cours commencent et terminent? Je reprends. À quelle heure les cours commencent et terminent? At which time the lessons begin and end? Réponse. You all know that is 8 heures. So, à 8 heures, donc c'est il est 8 heures, ok? À 8 heures, les cours commencent et terminent à 14 heures. À 14 heures, here is à 14 heures, ok? Les cours commencent à 14 heures. Ok. Nous apprenons de 8 heures à 14 heures à l'école. Je reprends encore. Nous apprenons de 8 heures à 14 heures à l'école. We learn from, that's another expression. We learn from 8 to 2 p.m. at school. So if you want to give somebody the duration, okay, from the beginning to the end, from means de. Look at it. From means what? De. And then à is what? To. So je reprends. Nous apprenons de 8 heures à 14 heures à l'école. We learned from 8 to 2 p.m. at school. Are you okay? Okay. As I was saying, say that this one is A. Okay, is A, not Q. Very good. is A. Okay, so now we shall continue from there to the next slide. Look at school. We don't only learn, we don't learn throughout. We also play small. When do we play? Someone will say during break time. Very good. How do we say break time in French? How do we say break time in French? La récréation. Encore la récréation. Look at the time and look at the question. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Il est 10 heures, n'est-ce pas? It is 10 o'clock. Look at the question. Qu'est-ce que tu fais à 10 heures? What do you do at 10 o'clock? Qu'est-ce que vous faites à 10 heures? The same question. What do you do at 10 o'clock? They want you to say that at 10 o'clock we go for break. Or at 10 o'clock it is break time in our school. Look at it in French. À 10 heures, nous sortons pour la récréation. Je reprends encore. À 10 heures, nous sortons pour la récréation. At 10 o'clock, we go out for our break. Go look at the next sentence or answer. How can I express the same sentence? À 10 heures, c'est la récréation dans notre école. At 10 o'clock, it is break time in our school. Très bien. What do you think is happening here? Are you sure they are going home? Yeah, they have closed, so they are going home. Okay, look at the time. 2:30. 2:30. Okay, 2:30. How do you say 2:30 in French? By this time it's afternoon, so you say 14h30. Il est 14h30. Look at the question. À quelle heure est... Okay. Now they give you the time. À 14h30, qu'est-ce que vous faites? Je reprends encore. À 14h30, qu'est-ce que vous faites? We all know that the school closed at 2. We have said it earlier on that the school closed at 2. Now, at 2:30, what do you do? The same way they can ask you the question in this form. Qu'est-ce que tu fais à 14h30? What do you do at 2:30 p.m.? Look at the answer. À 14h30, nous rentrons à la maison. I can also say à 14h30, nous allons à la maison. It means at 2:30 p.m. we go to the house. Je rentre or je vais à la maison à 14h30. Je rentre ou vais à la maison à 14h30. I go home at 2:30 p.m. So this one, you can see that I'm using je, meaning me alone. If you want to talk about everybody in school, you say nous. Okay, nous. Okay, nous rentrons is return. Or we go. Nous allons, we go. Normally it's enter, but it will not be enter in this expression. Je rentre, I go. Je vais, I go. Okay, on continue. If you go home, what do you do? Go home after resting. What do you do? Someone will say, I do my homework. Aha. What do you call homework in French? Devoir de maison. Okay. Have you checked the time? This boy always does his homework at 5 p.m. So let's see how the question will be asked. À quelle heure tu fais tes devoirs de maison? Je reprends encore. À quelle heure tu fais tes devoirs de maison? At what time do you do your homework. Vous faites vos devoirs de maison à quelle heure? At what time do you do your homework? Très bien. Let's look at the answers. Je fais mes devoirs à 17 heures. I do my homework at 5 p.m. À 17 heures, je fais mes devoirs de maison. At 5 p.m., I do my homework. Nous faisons, but then I want to say it as in group. Nous faisons nos devoirs de maison à 17 heures. We do our homework at 17 heures means 5 p.m. À 17 heures, nous faisons nos devoirs. At 5 p.m., we do our homework. Correct. Très bien. Then, won't you sleep in the night? You sleep. Okay. So, quelle heure est-il? What says the time here? Someone will say 9 p.m. That's correct. In French, what do you say? Il est 21 heures because it is in the night. After that p.m. we say 21 heures. We add 12 to 9. Okay? Then to give you a 21. So let's see how they can ask this question also. À quelle heure vous dormez? At what time do you sleep? À quelle heure tu dors? But then I'm using informal expression. So look at the answers. Je dors à 21 heures. I sleep at 9 p.m. Nous dormons à 21 heures. We sleep at 9 p.m. Je reprends encore. Je dors à 21 heures. Nous dormons à 21 heures. Is that not the end of the day? Correct. So that is how somebody has spent his school day. From the house to school. Whatever he has done in school, we said it. And then he comes back home. Do the homework. That's the homework. After that, he does other things that we didn't talk about over here. And what? Sleep. That ends the day. So, class, thank you. Merci beaucoup pour votre attention. Vous avez bien fait de suivre du début jusqu'à la fin. Aujourd'hui, nous avons appris beaucoup de choses. Nous avons appris comment utiliser l'heure, ok, dans des expressions. Comment utiliser l'heure pour exprimer ce que nous faisons les jours de l'école or durant la journée scolaire. We have learned so many things today, how to express certain things during the school day. Okay, as I always say, we can't learn without doing what? Assignments. So you are doing this for me. Answer the following questions about how you spend your school day. You see how that small boy explain or express himself. Do so. You know the time you go to school. You don't do the same thing at the same time. So maybe yours is different. Is it not so? Very good. Now look at the first question. À quelle heure tu te réveilles? At what time do you wake up? Tu vas à l'école à quelle heure? What time do you go to school? À midi, qu'est-ce que vous faites à l'école? At noon, at 12 o'clock. Okay, what do you do at school? And the last one, les cours commencent et terminent à quelle heure? Bravo, bravo pour votre attention. Merci, au revoir, on se retrouve à la prochaine.